going? Not too bad. Cool. Ron's got one controller there and he'll switch from the loader to the truck. Here's all the noise from the sorting machine here. Hey Ramon. Not too bad. Thanks for letting me come in a little earlier. Trucks down and shoot. You're trying to go for a big full load there, eh, mate? So what is this? Dirt and rubber, is it? All rubber. Out a bit. Good effort for the shoe. All that clean trailer with the dirty rubber.
A mini pickup driver as well.
Yeah, okay, let me just get in there.
Yeah.
It's a big mini pig. Alright. Does his feet stick to the top?
I have before. But I've got Lego kits in the back that good for the kids as well.
Like inside the trailer, is it?
Yeah.
Right. Are you switching to truck operation?
Yeah, I'm able to do that, mate.
All on one control here. Here's a traffic jam. Sorry, mate. different grades. Through the barrel, we got the larger stuff here, finer stuff. We got the extra large stuff come right at the end. Good, buddy. Which one are you driving? This one? Yeah, I've seen you drive at the club before, eh? Jeez, have you tried hooking up the tow and towing any trucks away? Yeah? I don't want to break down, just tow the trucks away when they're not looking.
I'll try you one.
Yeah, who are you going to tow? I'll get it on video.
Who's that toe?
Who are you looking for? Who's your target?
I don't know.
Let's go get someone.
Grandbuster.
Let's go get someone.
Grandbuster was out there this way.
So trucks on a mission. Just like Cletus and Squirrel. Look at this trailer. Oh, where's the giveaway sign? Is that?
No way.
Who needs going on there, Scott?
We're looking for someone parked illegally. That's what we're looking for with this tow.
I want Scotty to do something with this in here.
Well, we'll just let Scotty park up for a minute. We'll move him.
I've got to go over the bridge.
Over the bridge? Oh, yeah.
It's down there, and then I'll just come up and over and just keep it.
Oh, with this truck? Yeah. Yeah, we're looking for someone to tow. But yeah, I'd love to see that. I'm just going to get over the bridge for a minute, right? And then we'll go back to tow mission. Oh, it's a decent incline. You got a second box trailer, eh? Yeah. Very nice.
Alright, we didn't.
Oh, yeah, right. So have you found a victim, have you, mate? Damo, yeah. What was Damo thinking leaving his truck in the petrol bay, eh? What's your name, mate?
Ned.
Dan?
Ned.
Ned.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother. I'm Mikey. So yeah, check this out. Little bit of manipulation.
I'm sure he won't notice.
No, he won't notice. He's not paying attention. Maybe we should just lay his controller over so it'll fall over.
Yeah. Take the block back.
You secure it with a pin.
It's not out far enough.
Oh, you have to be a full tow truck driver with this thing, don't you? I'll edit the video and make it look like you did it real quick.
Yeah.
You're in there? Yep. Come out the other side.
Damo's truck.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, what do you got?
Hopefully you don't pack it.
There we go. Let's get that thing out of here, mate. Oh shit. Hey brother. Too bad. Sorry, Chuck, taking care of the wheels and the nice, mate. Are you going to bring it to him or are you taking it? Take it. Make sure you don't scratch it. Load it over. You guys coming for a truck wash? Are you already clean, are you? Tank, that's you, eh? Yeah. Oh, he's coming for the truck wash. Dirty truck, West Coast.
Yeah, I think so. Few weeks I never seen at the club.
The black one!
You're still going, mate. He's taking it back. Did you get in trouble or did he pay the fine or what's happening?
No, I expect me to pay him.
Do you reckon you can get it over the bridge or what? Too much?
No, so I'll pull off.
Too much. I love Yeah, we don't want it to fall off. What's the driver's fee for today?
That door was broken yesterday.
Yeah. That. So much here, hey. I'm gonna go look at that stuff.
Yeah.
The heavy rocks. A little bit in this way, almost. Fill that truck up, and then I can go dump. Oh, we got another dump happening. You're way too tall for that job. I'm gonna do that, that's all. Beautiful paint job on this stuff. Lucky it's just rubber, mate, not rock. Stretch it. It's so good. I had my camera right in here.
Oh, that's fun.
Too heavy for it. We just have to give it a little bit of a shovel. Shovel some down. And we're overloading at the bottom. Bit of maintenance here, so that's the medium sort of stuff, the fine stuff, and then the big heavy stuff out there.
Yes.
Yeah. Pretty clever.
It's actually working, mate.
That's working really well, yeah. Watch out indeed. We're going to go through there. Don't go into the air, Max. You're good, you're clear. Oh no, you're stuck. You're good, bro. You can do the bridge, you had the bypass. Close to the traffic jam. That's on the pit lane or what? If that was the Formula 1 pit lane, you would have got a penalty for rejoining. Pushing in. It's pretty confusing. The West Coast big rig setup at the Toy Fair at Cyril Jackson, hey?
Model car spectacular.
Model car spectacular. Huge amount of effort gone into all these dioramas everywhere. We got the trucks loading the rubber into the system. We got many trucks chasing here. We got the sorting systems. We got diggers in operation. The sorter's switched off, but I'm sure we can fire it up again once you're full, eh? Great little setup. This material's wonderful, eh?
The rubber stuff, yeah.
Yeah, it's like not messy. Yeah, so good.
Oh, I saw you.
They made this just big enough for his bucket. We got a loading dock truck area around here. Let's try to get everyone on camera. Loading car not set up. Trucks. Trees. Bit of mad pull though, huh? We got the loading dock. Here he is. Where's your... The tow truck's been stolen, mate.
Yeah.
Not to worry. What do we got here? This is a workshop area. We towed it alright. A workshop. Truck diggers. USA trucks. We're at the petrol station. Pay that much right now, come on. This is my favourite truck here today, beautiful paint job. Clean that bit of rubber out later. Now we got the truck wash, the bridge.